Hey everybody, Kevin here at Insomnia Bagger out of Battle Creek. Just finished up a 24 Road Glide. Used the new A2B interface, eliminated off the Rockford Fosgate amp. Used the 309 amp rack. Really like that amp rack. You can fit a ton of stuff, lots of space, really frees it up, cleans up the whole area. Very, very nice amp rack. Again, Soundigital 2400.4, 6 speakers, so up front in the fairing, did the Cicada CH coax horns. Ended up using the Sounds 6x9 cut-in kit with the Cicada CH 6x9s. And then the client ended up getting an Advan Black color match tour pack and the Advan Black tour pack pods. Ended up putting the Cicada CM mid basses in those. All ran through the internal DSP and the A2B interface. Turned out amazing. I think the client's going to be very happy. Got a lot of bottom end. Goes on for days. So kind of walk you around, show what we ended up doing. Really happy with it. I think the client's going to be really happy with it. So up front in the fairing here, we got the Cicada CH coax horns, the giant Skyline infotainment center, Cicada over there as well. Out back, got the Sounds cut-in kits with the Cicada CH 6x9s, all nice and tucked away. Wires ran nice and clean through the bag. Terminate out a water sealed port. Out back, Supply and Clyde supplied a Advan Black color match tour pack, and I gotta say the color is spot on, looks phenomenal. Also upgraded and got the Advan Black tour pack pods. Nice thing about these tour pack pods versus the factory tour pack pods for any of your older bikes out there, like 14 to 23, they are really deep. You can fit a lot of options for speakers in these things. I ran the Cicada CM 6.5 mid basses in the tour pack. Come up for the tour pack floor for the wiring. Client does have a 4-point docking station on this bike, so it's quick detach for the tour pack. Back here, the client has the quick detach factory style Molex plug. So things gonna be really happy with it. Let's listen to a couple songs. This thing gets down. 6 speakers, no big size mid bass woofers in the bags, anything along those lines, and you can feel it. It sounds good.